Presiden Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee Mpcc ubak Winston Ichpala ulak kamba ulak mut ban Iehnoh ia kakam Presiden ke Mpcc nadu mensim snem hadin ba ulak Shah rem hakam election Hynrei kinoyalam ke Aicc Kim Shah hadin ba ulak Shah rem Shah ke MP election dangshen menta usnemru ulak lik yalam lang bat kinoyalam ke Mpcc Delhi ban pelait no ia kakam Presiden Hynrei nakaliang kinoyalam ke Aicc Kim Shah setia bat kilapta iau bon peteng bet ya kakam Presiden habakren kilaptai kubon mentagas ni ba Winston Palau laong ba umde Presiden ba Syajid Hynrei la susya iau bat ka Aicc kalong balada on Iehnoh ka parti kenang hier bat udai ban peteng ulaong ba kamdan setia keno-keno kejingkren percaya kum Presiden Hynrei inda kilami na ka parti kila kren kumne kumtai namar bala penbu lem kiwe ya kiktien hasentur jongki.
You are right, but I think out of 20 legislators who left the party, if you can tell me anyone who blamed me, except bearing one or two, they left the party. Most of them they didn't blame me. After they left the party, they blamed. So they should have blamed when inside the party. I'm not an elected president. I'm just a nominated president. As soon as I lost the MLA election, I went to Delhi and I told them that I'm ready to step down. Maybe I should not be a stumbling block. They said, no, we should not surrender. If you surrender, the party will be thrown like others. After I lost the election in the MP also, I left, not only me along with my team. I said, I think I should resign. They said, no, you don't have to resign. You're not an elected. You are a nominated. If we feel that is necessary, we'll just tell you to step down. So the questions of me holding the post doesn't arise. It's for the interest of the party. So people who told that they left the party, you ask any of these MLAs why they left the party. None of them will say we left the party because we don't like the president. When they are inside, never a discussions that you should step down or you should do this, should that. After they leave, somebody will put in their mouth, speak this, speak that. You know, many of the people who left the party, they have been meeting me many times now. They said, sir, we are going to back. There's no party like Congress. I can give you a challenge. You see in 2028, many of them will be asking ticket from the Congress. You cannot imagine, top of the leaders now realize that Congress is the only party which can bring justice. We can help the people, especially the Chidal caste and Chidal tribe in entire India. Today, when they see that we won the election in Garo Hills, these people, especially these 3 MLAs who left, it's solely for the by-election in Gambegre, because they know that there's a resurgence of the Congress. Only 1 MLA we had in Garo Hills. We could manage to win 22 assemblies. So they thought that, if the Congress is doing well in Garo Hills, automatically in Khasi Jayanti it will do well. With that in mind, the only way is, they cannot do anything to the president. They try to do something to the whomever they can do. Soft target. So that's why they say that because of Pala, this, that. I know if I resign from the party, my party will be weaker than when I am. So I'm here to strengthen the party, because I've seen when the Congress is weak, the Chidal caste, Chidal tribe, people of Meghalaya will be weak. You have seen so many bills they have taken, so many issues they have taken, the atrocities against the Christians, the atrocities against the tribals, so many things which the BJP, they want to do away with the reservations. So the Congress is the only party who can defend, protect and preserve the culture. Congress is the only party who will stand. The individual MLAs, the individual leader may go away, but I should not be a party to weaken the Congress party. I should be strong, never surrender, will work, and definitely one day everybody will come to us, including the press, including the media, including all the other workers also. Most of them, they think that Congress is a much better, easier, negotiable than any other party.